Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I come with one more shortcut related to binomial theorem. Let's see the question. What the question says. In the expansion root 3 plus 1 by root 5 to the power of n, the ratio of 7th term from the beginning to the 7th term from the int is 1 by 5, then n is equal to dash. Here he has given 7th term from the beginning and 7th term from the end, that is equal to 1 by 5. He is asking to find n value. Now, in order to solve this problem, we have one shortcut present in EAMCET and IIT. The shortcut is, in the expansion x plus a to the power of n, then the ratio of rth term from the beginning to the rth term from the int is x by a to the power of n minus 2r plus 2. So here, what will be the x value? X value is root 3. And what will be the a value? That is 1 by root 5. What will be the r value? R value is nothing but 7. Okay, upon getting this 3 value, what I will have to do? I will have to substitute this 3 value in this equation. Okay, so when I am substituting this 3 value in the equation, I am getting as, I am obtaining n value as 10. Okay, that will be my answer to this question. Okay, what I will have to do? I will have to just do a simplification. Okay. Hope you understand this video. If you understand this video and if you want me to make some more video of this kind, then don't forget to like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel with your family, friend and colleague. Thank you.